Okay, hello. I'm sorry it's at 10 o'clock at night, but this is the installing Creo 9 in installation video. If you already have Creo 9, that is great. You probably don't really have to watch this unless there's like some particular reason you didn't get the license. But if you're Mechie, you probably already do. If you're not Mechie, feel free. You can also download Creo. It is not only limited to Mechies. Anybody can have it. So, beginning. Go to Files. The Files. Go to the quick access. Type in // back dot gcc.edu. Click enter. If you spell that wrong, it won't work. Go click on software. Excuse me. Go down to PTC and go up. Find Creo 9-460 underscore so on Windows 64. All right. Read this first. This is very important. So I already opened it. I will send this in the chat momentarily. We're going to do the setup.exe because we need to download a new version of Creo. We're not doing a license thing, so don't worry. Do not worry about this. Leave this alone. Leave this area alone. We are doing number 1 right here, okay? And it's really simple once you know what you're doing, actually. So that's what the purpose of this video is. So you don't spend an hour or two trying to figure it out to do it. So I'll going back to the file. Go up to click on setup exe. So I click run. I trust the source. We really trust the source. No matter how many files my computer has, someone's still gonna hack it. The worst case scenario is that you have a friend who can hack them back, right? So we're gonna install new software. That's Windows 9. You're gonna click accept. You're gonna accept everything. If you don't accept, it won't work. So the source. This is an interesting spot. So to find the source, it needs to, according to the file, it needs to be set up with 7788 at the server name. So the server name, and this is for future reference too, so I'll just do 7788 at, what you're going to do is you're going to go find Creo. I already had Creo open, so I save time. Go to File, Options, go to Licensing. Now you're going to so I'm going to refresh license list if you can't see it. I'm going to click Info. We're going to go over here. See this line right here. And my mouse is not working. Whoops, that's the wrong button. So see it says 7788 at slm01.gcc.edu. So I'm going to type that in real quick to my 788 at slm01.gcc.edu. That is, oh look, it's already found it. That is amazing. Man, I love this thing. I'm just going to close Creo real quick just so when the update goes through, it won't mess anything up. So now I found my license. If that doesn't work, rewatch that. So click next. All right, here we go. So you should, if you already have Creo, you should have a bunch of things already installed and have no problem with it. So just leave it as is. Hey, what's up? All right. Oh, this is 8.3 gigabytes. Oh man, I still have to get these out. For those people who need to delete video games, delete them. It's not worth it. So click next. If you are downloading for the first time, there'll be a lot more files. Just leave it as is with the basics. If you see something cool you want to download, go ahead. But otherwise, no. Click next again. Here are all the additional. I like Creo. No. These are just different extensions you don't need unless you want them, and I do personally, but you can skip about. Nope, never mind, don't skip. Alright, so now I'm going to click install, because now I am taking a total of 14 gigabytes. I've doubled it, guys. This is amazing. Click install. Alright, here's your data thing. It's going to just install for you. Just be like, okay, any day now. It could take anywhere between a minute, 10, 20 minutes. depending on how many gigabytes you are downloading, what your Wi-Fi is. So I will edit the video so that it doesn't take forever. But for now, here it goes. I'll pause it real quick so when you guys get back. Alright, so I just finished downloading. Yay! Click finish. If it's complete with warnings, you're fine. Don't worry about it. Creo has lots and lots of warnings. So now that I finished, what I'm gonna do is find the latest version of Creo. I want to find Creo 9. So it's going to type in Creo 9. But so what we're going to do is we're going to find first our Creo 8 and uninstall it. So, bye-bye Creo 8. I'm going to miss you. Now it's going to ask a few questions here and there. Where's Creo? Creo. Oh, did it get rid of Creo already? Oh, wait a second. I need to organize this. Creo. Oh, wait, no, it's under PTC. My bad. It should be PTC Creo 8 platform. Uninstall that, please. So just make sure you're only clicking the 8. Uninstall. You actually undo the Creo 9. That's fine. It's okay. You're not going to die. Just re-download it. So just make sure all your PTC files are that. If you ever get the license, it'd be great if we could get this program right here running. It's really nice for Plasma Table. So that's the end of downloading it. I am going to show you how to find your configuration files for Creo. So stick around for that. If not, then okay. So this is still there for some reason. Why the hell is that? Why is that still there? Oh, there we go. Okay. It feels a lot better. There we go. The Creo 9 will go back right there. Okay. So in my original, I had my configuration. So we had to do to go to your configuration, it was go to properties, find your starting file. So this was for a class I had during main session last year. So you'll need to change that, as well as finding my. No, that's not it. Where is my? Oh wait, I'm doing this really wrong. I'm very sorry. I am very stupid and tired sometimes. All right, so I'm sadly gonna delete Creo Monty. Bye bye. Okay, Creo Monty is gone. Because I was also on the Creo 8 platform. So I'm gonna go to Creo. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make a copy, and because I want to, I'm going to name it Creo Monty once again. But it's more for I'll configure my configuration files, which I highly recommend if you don't already have configuration files of some sort to do that. Okay, somehow I moved there. Never mind. Somehow that. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna go over here. I'm gonna go properties. I'm gonna find my starting file. So to do that, I do not want to start all the way in here. It's not where I want to start for my start file. So what you're gonna do is somehow that got there. Let's close this real quick. All right. I'm sorry, guys. It's late night. So, all right. So I'm gonna find where I want to put it. So for now, let's just put it underneath document. This I'm just putting it underneath here for now. So this is my code. Control C. Go back over here. Go to my starting file. Go in there. All right. I've done that. Now we are good in that department. Just to make sure I did it right, close it, and you click OK. See that it's good. It's in the right place. All right. So nothing much else here at the moment. So what we're gonna do though is we're going to click OK. We're going to go to our config file. So to do that, open up Creo. Wait the whole minute and a half for it to open for the first time. It's a private network. It makes it a lot easier, guys. I know it's GCC network, but it's so much easier if you don't allow access. Close this too. So any day now, Creo will open. For some reason, this unpin. Make sure your Creo 8s are gone so you don't actually type in Creo 8. I would recommend opening it once you get downloaded. It's a lot, just a guarantee. So go to options. Do not click on anything else, please. Ooh, they changed the appearance. So I'm going to go to configuration editor. And so right now, this is the standard config.pro, which has like our basic templates and all. So I'm going to do though is I'm going to add a template. So I'm going to click find. That's the wrong button. That was my bad. So export configurations. So no, that's the wrong button. I'm sorry. We're going to find. Oh, that's the wrong button as well. Import configuration file. That was the button I was looking for. So I actually have it in a particular place. So I hit it. Where did I hide it? Here we go. Should be right here. So this is my configuration file, which has lots of stuff. Also, if you want to also import more configuration files, if you were instructed, like I was, you might have had this PTC on Edison. It has you go here for all these files of so many different types. But that was not the one I'm meant to click on. Let's click on this one, which has all these other templates here as well, like all the work cells. You'll need these later on, both for classes and for Baja, maybe. Not guaranteed, but like all our drawing formats are here. So this is a great place for it. So I would use. Oh, come on. Never mind about this idea. I'll edit this out. All right. So that is. All right. So that is basically it. I added my configuration files. I hope you guys can find it too. Remember, it's just import. If you want to export some, if you had like make some different changes and you want to export it, all you gotta do is export current filters and or export configurations, and that will do it for you. Please take a look at before you can become tomorrow. And thank you for also listening. If you made it this far, thank you for listening to me because I sound very boring at times and I'm probably talking very slow. So I'm just going to click the OK. Configurations you say will be applied to current session only. Do you want to save your settings to configuration file? And click yes. Yes, I do. You might have to make a new one because we did this again. And I'm just going to do config v2.pro. Okay. All right. So that should be it. Check it out. Take a look. Looks about the same. All right. Thanks for listening, guys. Have a good night.